Hi, I'm Hester Wernert-Rijn and I'm the Global Creative Advocate for Authentic Beauty Concept. I'm a salon owner based in Amsterdam, and I'm also an international hairstylist. I have a lot of clients that really want to know how to make instant volume, and this is what I want to explain to you today. We just did a relaunch of the Amplify range, and this is specialized made for fine hair to make the hair airy and lightweight. It's perfect to make instant volume at home. So the first product I want to talk about is the Amplify Cleanser. It's a transparent cleanser that really gives volume to fine hair and also gives a lot of shine to the hair. The Amplify Foam Conditioner gives weightless shine and volume. You have to shake the Amplify Foam Conditioner before you start using it. And you really see it has this really nice, light, soft texture that you can put in the hair, leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes, and then wash it out. The next product is the Amplify Root Lift Spray Conditioner. I mean, the name says it already. It's a caring product. It gives also heat protection, but it also is for me the bridge to go to the next step when I'm going to do the styling on the hair to get instant volume. It creates root lift and also a thicker hair feel. The Amplify Root Lift Spray Conditioner you use on wet hair. It also smells amazing. So now the styling. The Amplify Mousse is my next step to use. It's nice to use on damp hair. You have to shake it well before you start using it, and you use it at the roots. So I divide the hair in sections like that. When you do it in like little stripes and you make sections in between, then you can really divide the product good in the hair, so you really feel this instant volume that doesn't make the hair sticky, and it's a beautiful way to have still lightweight hair. But this is my next step and I really love this product. I use it exactly like that in my hair. My next product is the working hairspray. This is my favorite product. I use it on all my clients, but also I have it always in my kit when I do shoots. It's a flexible hairspray, it's brushable, it still is light, so even though I use it layer by layer, it gives like instant volume. It's lovely to use a little bit on damp hair, so it gives it really nice hold. But also I use it when the hair is blow dried, when I use a hot tool. So when I use an iron, I spray, and it has a super nice airy spray. I just spray it on my section using a hot tool, and then let it cool down. Then you brush it out and you see that it gives a nice shine, but also gives a medium hold to the hair. For me, to give instant volume, you need to use this as my #1 favorite product. The nude powder spray is also one of my favorite products, and also if you really want to have instant volume, this is something that you should use. It has a very fine spray that gives direction to the root. It has medium hold to the hair, and how I would use it, I make like little sections, and I start most of the time underneath and then really go into the scalp. And I also massage it at the scalp, so if there are any oils, it makes it disappear, and when you massage it through the hair, you really see that the hair is getting like lifted. So for me, this is a beautiful product if you want to make instant volume at home. These were my tips for instant volume at home. I also want to give you a small extra tip. If you start using all the products and when the hair is still wet, brush your hair upside down and blow dry the hair upside down. So you will have this extra, I call it free volume, and this really helps you to make instant volume at home. See you next time.